Hello, you're welcome to AppFix and In. My name is Daniel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an international TikTok account. As we all know, in order for you to have an international TikTok account, you need to reside in any of this country, be it United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Brazil, Japan, and South Korea. You need to be in any of those parts of the country in order to create an international TikTok account. So in this video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step on the process you need to follow in order to create an international TikTok account. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to actually recommend you create a United Kingdom TikTok account. So in order for you to actually do that, so let's say you go to your Chrome browser or any browser on your device like this. So when you go to your Chrome browser, looking right here at the bottom of my browser right here, you can see that my current location is United Kingdom. So I'm going to be creating a United Kingdom TikTok account, which is actually one of the best international TikTok accounts you can actually create. So in order for you to actually proceed with the creation, first you need to have a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you can actually create one by going to your Gmail like this and click on add another account. So you need to go ahead and click on that, then go ahead and click on Google in order for you to create a new Gmail account. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on create account. You can see that right here on the screen. So I'm going to click on that and click on for my personal use. So right here, I'm going to actually input my name. Now after creating this account, I'm going to give this account out to any of the first commenter on this video. So right here, the name I'm going to use is Daniel AppFix. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on next like this. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on date. So you need to make sure you put your exact date of birth right here. So I'm going to be putting my exact date of birth like this. Then go ahead and select my gender. Then go ahead and select next. So here I'm going to select the first one here, which is appfixdaniel@gmail.com. Then go ahead and click on next like this. So right here I'm going to create a password. So after creating your password, you need to go ahead and click on next like this. So we've been able to create our Gmail account. Clicking on next like this, you need to agree to the terms and condition by clicking on I agree after reading the terms and condition. So now, in order for you to actually create the international TikTok account, you need to go to your Chrome like this. I'm going to recommend you use your Chrome. So right on your Chrome, looking right here, you can see that my location is United Kingdom. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and type in tiktok.com. So you need to go ahead and select the first link right here in order to log into the official TikTok website. So right here, quickly click on your profile at the bottom, then go ahead and click on login. You can see that's right here. So when you click on login, it is actually going to bring out this option where you need to click on sign up at the bottom and select phone number/email. Then input your correct date of birth. Looking right here, you need to go ahead and input your correct date of birth. Then go ahead and click on next. So right here, you can see the option of inputting your phone number or your email. So since we just created a new email, I'm going to be clicking on email like this in order to input our new email. So right here, you just simply need to go ahead and type in the new email you just created like this. So once you're done inputting the email, you simply need to go ahead and click on next and solve this puzzle. So you just need to solve it to be in the right shape with the flower right here or whatever image that might display on yours. So yeah, you need to go ahead and click on the password right here and input your own password. Now you need to make sure that your password have at least 8 to 20 character and also have a special character on it. Then go ahead and click on sign up. When you do that, a code is going to be sent to your Gmail. So you simply need to go ahead and go to your Gmail like this in order to see the code that was sent to you. Refresh the Gmail if possible. Now if you've not actually logged into your Gmail, you need to go ahead and log into your Gmail like this with that account. So right here, you need to go ahead and copy the code that was sent to your Gmail like this. Then go back to your TikTok like this and paste the code right here. So when you do that, it is actually going to load up like this. So once it is done loading, it is actually going to ask you to create a username. So I'm going to be using Porter Peace as my username. So here is it, Porter Peace 0. Then go ahead and click on next. So it's actually going to log you into your TikTok account. Now with this, you've been able to create an international TikTok account. So in order for you to actually confirm if you actually created a UK TikTok account, this is what you need to do. You need to move out from your browser now and go to your TikTok app. So in your TikTok app like this, after logging in with the Gmail you just used to create an international TikTok account, now right here is my profile. You can see my username right there. So in order for you to check if this is an international TikTok account, you need to click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. So let's say you go to your settings and privacy and go to accounts. So yeah, I'm looking right here. You can see where it says TikTok shop for seller. Now you're going to be able to see this in other accounts that are not international accounts. So let's go back as well to this place. So to check it as well, you can go to your TikTok studio like this. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So once it is done loading up, looking right here, you can see where it says monetization, and right there you can see where it says creator reward program, and also where you can see creator marketplace. Now in other accounts that are not international TikTok accounts, you won't be able to see these options right there. So this is to show that this is an international TikTok account. So this is how simple it is to create an international TikTok account. Now do it to like this video, share this video to your friends that might need it, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.